Oh my fucking god!
Alright. Good day, good day. Wrong one. Oh, wow, it's stuck. Alright, there we go. We'll probably make this big memes. Big memes. There we go. Yo, we've got... Actually, I'm just gonna... Right, so there's one. Ah! Disregard. That actually hurt. There's one. And then there's two. And then there's another one here, 3. And I figured that considering you guys essentially bought them for me, I would do it on stream if it doesn't fall. Ah! Please, don't fall. Alright, so, first one is this bastard. I don't know what's in this. How many dildos did I buy? Quite a lot. I've been really trying. This is the, I don't know what this one is. It's a small box. Fuck off, stop selecting. First thing is this. What the fuck is this? This is a meme machine. It is touch controllers. Oculus Rift touch controllers. I don't actually know what they do. Ah, you cunt! Ah, you cunt! Ah! Wow, that hurt. That actually hurt. They gave me a USB extension cable. Alright. And they gave me a sensor. Sorry, ignore the obesity, but I'm pretty sure even that you're used to that by now. Oh, that's just packaging. The scissors are small. They're like little toenail scissors. I mean, my cunt's pretty big, but I mean, here's a can of Coke for size. This is so heavy. Holy shit. How do I get it out? I'll point the webcam down, but I actually don't have any pants on, so I'll probably have to fix that at some point during the stream. Dude. Fuck it, I am pointing the webcam down. Hang on. Look at this. Shit. Oh, what the fuck? Why did they give me an Xbox controller? What is this? Flight Sim World.